Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks, and this is the navy one, and it is inside, and I got a lot of questions. It's inside this travel organizer from Kikki.K. This was a Christmas present from my friends just this Christmas, and it is engraved with my name. And we're just going to go ahead and pull out the planner. There we go. And before I start this plan with me, I'm going to go ahead and go through this with you, the first few pages that I've set up for my Hobonichi weeks. And then we're going to be using this kit from the shop. And we had a D-stash sale, so hopefully you were able to get a few of the stickers that we had on hand. So let's go ahead and get started. Annyeonghaseyo to everyone who's watching. I'm trying to learn Korean, so I've been trying to use like some of the words that I know and trying to pronounce them correctly. So let's go ahead and go through what I have here. I do have this cover on cover, and inside of that I have this little fox die cut. And as you can see there, once I've opened it, there's a little face poking through, and I'm gonna show you what that is. So I didn't decorate this page. Just like all the Hobonichis that I've ever had, I never decorated that page. And if you watched my 2019 planner flip through, then you know that that's just not something that I do. But over here on the first page, I do have that giant die cut that I cut up top so that it'll fit in my travel organizer from Kikki.K. And then we have the yearly overview, and this is a kit from my shop as well. This is the 2019 version, and what I did was I cut up the top there, and I think that's it. Oh, and then I also cut up a little bit over there. And then I used some stickers from the Happy Planner Seasons sticker book that I have. Those are all from that sticker book. And this one is from another sticker book. It is also from Happy Planner. If you can grab those are really great books that you can use. I don't think I have anything here. And you have seen my January spread if you have been following me on IG. Oh, this is December. And then this is January. This is not yet complete. And then I've already set up February, just a little bit. But this is gonna have a lot more once I'm done setting this up completely. So let's go to last week's page, and this is that week. And if you want to see all the pages here that I've ever done, then so far in this year, actually ever done, make sure that you are following me on my Instagram, that's paperjoyph.com, and I also post a lot of IGTV videos lately, and you might want to check that out as well. So let's take a look at the kit that I'm using today. It's called Good Fall. This was a fall kit, but I'm going to use it today. And this is option B. It comes in option A and B, I think. I'm not sure if there's a C. So it comes in 2 pages with all the stickers. I'm also going to be using the Stabilo Pen 68 that sort of matches the color scheme of this, if not a little deeper. I do have my Kaweco, and this is what I tend to use. I also have this pen that I got from Aldi's back to school sale. This is just a felt tip pen. And the last pen we're going to use is this Tombow brush tip pen. And of course I also have my ruler. And so last week I received my BTS 2020 season's greetings, and I am using the guts of that planner on another planner. It's a Kikki.K one, and I will show you that in the next video. But let's go ahead and grab the sticker. I think this is my first plan with me YouTube video for this year using my kit and using a Hobonichi. So if you did get stickers from that D-stash, you know that there's this strip here, and the reason I made it a strip so that, you know, it's easier for people to use. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put down the sticker. Now this sheet is an oops kit, so the ones that you would have gotten from the D-stash would have been prettier. I still have a few kits, and I've actually extended it today. So today's a Monday, today's Australia Day, and I've extended it to that date so that people can still grab what they want. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take this Deco one, And I think I put it at the bottom last one, yeah. So let's do the same. So this is going to be so much of a traditional plan with me than ever. It's also easier for me because I haven't filmed a plan with me in a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this strip and I'm gonna put it up here. You can also put it down here and it'll be really pretty. But I'm gonna go ahead and just use this like a washi strip. I'm gonna take my ruler, and because this is paper, it's very easy to just snap off the end. And I'm gonna go ahead and continue that pattern on the other side. And then I'm going to take my ruler again and snap off the end. Have a little bit left, but I'm just gonna put that back on here, and then we're gonna go ahead and play with these. So these are individually cut. The newer versions of my kits have these individually cut, so you can build your own little sidebar type. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down all of the checklist boxes here, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through that. Alright, so it is done and this page is looking really good. So for these boxes, I was thinking of putting them over here, but now I'm thinking I could just put them over here at the side. What do you guys think? Hang on, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and line or deepen the lines on the left page using my ruler and my Stabilo. So that is the page complete. Well, at least the left page. Now we're gonna move on to this side of the page. And I'm gonna put down this box. Okay, fine. So I tend not to put stickers all the way up the spine because that is where the planner will bend. So it's gonna stress out the spine if I put the stickers all the way up to here. That's why I've been trying to move all of these stickers to this side. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But I'm gonna start from here. So if you noticed, if I bring this up, the box doesn't go all the way to the grid line over there because these boxes were designed for this side of the page. But we're gonna build it over here. There you go. So I still have 2 of these left. I'm gonna go ahead and take my weekend banner and put it over Saturday and Sunday here at the bottom. So you do get a lot of space to write and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put down today. Then I'm gonna put down goals over here. And then I'm gonna put down this header over here. And then I'm going to put another to-do or the to-do header down here aligned with goals. Well, not really aligned, but almost. There's a reason for that, and I'll show you later. Put this on Tuesday. Well, actually, no. Let's put it on Monday because Monday is a holiday, and that's what we're gonna put there. I'm gonna put this box here, kind of askew, and another one here at the bottom. Perfect. So these pages are almost completely empty. Okay, let me take this off. Now they're empty. Okay. I'm gonna put notes down here. Yay! And all the stickers have been put down. Here are my empties. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my pen. Actually, I used this in the last spread, and they are both, so the stickers are both matte paper, and I don't like the way this writes on my paper. I think I'm gonna go ahead and switch pens with my trusty Uniball Signo 05. There we go. So this is one of the best cheap pens out there, and I highly recommend. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down the numbers. Hang on. Let me put down the numbers using my Tombow. 27, There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my pen and I'm gonna go write stuff here. Some of the stuff that I need to do. Here we go. All right. Okay, so let's go to this little header. I'm gonna use my Tombow once again. I'm gonna go ahead and pull down the to-do header. Put it down here. Okay, let me go ahead and line that or deepen the line of where I want the to-do section to be, which is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and make this into a box, a complete box. And then I'm gonna go ahead and write stuff here using my Tombow. I hope you guys are having a blast today. I know a few of my colleagues at school are already at school. And they're like asking me, hey, do you need me to pick you up so we can all go to school together and study on a holiday? And I'm like, I think I'm gonna go ahead and study at home so I can film all of this. Right. One last thing that we are going to do, and I wasn't expecting to do this, but I kind of feel like doing it. And I was thinking I could just do it off cam, but why not do it on cam? So you all know what I'm all about. So I've taken my 2020 season's greetings from BDS and I'm just gonna go ahead and grab scissors. So what I noticed is that the cut lines of the sticker itself is about maybe a centimeter into the picture. I ain't down with that. Okay, so we're gonna pick a dude. The dude that's probably going to match the spread is this one because Jimin wears the same kind of outfit. The color of his outfit is kind of similar, but I could also go with RM, who is my bias because he has cream on his shirt or cardigan. But I also really want to go with Hobie because a blue would really pop here. Although Tae's outfit is really saturated, just so you guys know, this means ARMY, which is the fan club, the name of the fan club. And then in the end, I think I'm gonna go with Jin. Why? Because I really like that little drawing that he has on his photo. Indecision, guys. So if you guys want to know which lenticular card I got, and I got Tae. So happy, which is really fun. I was not expecting to get Tae. If you ask me who I really wanted to get, that would have been RM or Hobie. Actually, I really wanted Hobie. Hobie, wow. Sorry, I know. Cringy, wrong pronunciation. I started learning Korean in December. I only meet my tutor once a week because my tutor, she's busy and I really can't pay for multiple lessons like a day. All right. Oh, that's cute. Okay, this is a mistake, this week thing. We are gonna pull it up. If it destroys the paper, I don't care. Just as long as it doesn't go through the other side. Okay, so we're gonna put him here. We are going to take off the backing. I have never done this before. I usually just use cotton washi tape to put stuff. So I'm holding both the sticker and the sides. And we're just gonna line up, let's center Jin. Yes! Oh my god. There's so much joy here. Okay, I'm gonna put something else on there, on the side because it's kind of looking a little lonely, but I don't have a sticker with me, but I do have my Happy Planner sticker books, and I'm gonna get something. I'm gonna take this if I find goals that's pretty enough or matches this. Oh, there we go. So I picked the foiled Life is So Good over here. I want to put this on Jin. Oh, by the way, this is Jin. So these dudes are from a band called BTS. If you don't know of them, you can just do a quick Google search or find the nearest preteen. or grown women, they likely know who these boys are. Actually, no, I was kidding. Like, I was in a lunch meeting and people were like sharing passion and things that make them happy, and I told them, hey, I'm really into K-pop. In particular, I'm really into BTS. And they're like, oh my god, so those are the noises that are coming from our preteens' bedrooms. Ah. And I'm like, no, grown women can be, you know, BTS fans too. Don't, you know, don't discriminate with age. It just makes me very amused because a lot of people are still not into K-pop, but yeah, I am. Okay, so I think we're done here. In the end, I used the kit. I used my 2020 season's greetings, which I could have cut up better, but you know, as well as a sticker from this book, which is from the Happy Planner. This is called the Planner Basics for the Mini. Alright, so that's it for us today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, hang on. Can I put this here? Oh, actually, I can write down here. Could I put it up here? Put it here? No, never mind that. So one sticker down. One sticker didn't make it, guys. And once again, that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like, you can also follow us on social media, which is paperjoyph.com for both Instagram as well as Facebook. We do have a Facebook group. It is called BTS. It is called Paper Joy PH Planning World. And next video, I will be doing a flip through of my newest acquisition, my new KKK planner with the guts of the BTS 2020 season's greetings. It is going to be my current EDC while this stays home, that I fill this out every day at the end of the day as well as in the beginning of the day as a journaling kind of thing to help me focus what I've been doing for every day, because days are long but years are short, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!